Maximum organization in a minimalist design, the SEG42 is the first fully integrated solution for one-bag travel. This 42-liter carry-on compliant pack combines the best assets of a backpack, duffel bag, and packing cube into a groundbreaking new architecture that is as versatile as you are. Access the full volume of the bag through the 5 segmented zipper pockets, organizing items by type, day, or activity. Separate large items or dirty clothes by stowing them in the oversized clamshell pocket. Keep your laptop protected with the padded externally accessed sleeve. Versatile carry options include rugged carry handles on top, bottom, and sides, as well as adjustable backpack straps that stow away when not in use. Made from waterproof nylon with the UTS Ultra Tear Strength coating, this pack is both durable and weatherproof. With Matador's SEG42 one-bag travel pack, everything is just one zip away.